Please subscribe, like and share Ramzan biology.
السلام عليكم يا أهل المدارس. أنا في خير وكيف حالك? Today we will talk about the important reaction in which the alkene undergoes. So there are several reactions in which the alkene undergoes like the alkane, but the reaction of alkene are more than the alkane because alkene is unsaturated, so therefore it undergoes a lot of reaction because it is unsaturated and alkane was saturated. So the first reaction is the addition of halogen. The first reaction by which the alkene undergoes is the addition of halogen, or we can simply say halogenation. Halogenation process. Simply say halogenation process. Halogenation process. Okay, so what does mean by halogenation or addition of halogen? It means that when we add halogen gases like chlorine, bromine and fluorine to alkene, and the result it gives us this process called halogenation. For example, if you take ethene and we react Cl, chlorine, with the ethene and the presence of an inert gas like carbon tetrachloride, so it give us the it change the reddish color of the bromine and produce 1,2-dibromethane, and it is a colorless liquid. My means that if you take this is a ethene, okay, ethene double bonded to another carbon, okay, and when we react bromine, so Br and Br, and the presence of carbon tetrachloride CCl4 in the presence of carbon tetrachloride, so in the product it will give us what? It will give us this one hydrogen C. This double bond between the two carbon will be converted into single bond by the addition of bromine, so therefore we call it as a bromethane. Dibromethane means that there are two bromine and we call it as methane because it is saturated. The double bond is converted into single bond. So it is like this. There is also hydrogen, and this also hydrogen, and the four hydrogen are completed now here and here. Okay, so now there will be one bromine will be there and one bromine will be there. So this was ethene. If I write this was ethene, okay, ethene, this was bromine, and this was carbon tetrachloride, and give us 1,2-dibromethane, 1,2-dibromethane, and it is a colorless. Before, the bromine color was reddish color, like this is a container, and this the bromine was reddish color. When we undergo that on the halogenation process, so this converted into a colorless. If you talk, this is a colorless container, so this is a white and this was the reddish color. So the reddish color of the bromine is converted into a colorless liquid which we call dibromethane because the double bond between the ethene was converted into single bond. Next we will talk about another reaction. The next is the reaction addition of hydrogen halide. It means that when we add hydrogen plus halide gases with the alkene, so what it gives us, this reaction is called addition of hydrogen halide. For example, if I take ethene, this is ethene, carbon double bonded to another carbon, and there is also hydrogen, this hydrogen, and plus HBr, okay, and the product, so this was ethene, okay, this was ethene, this is called hydrobromic acid, because when there is hydrogen atom, hydrobromic acid, so this substance we usually mention it as a acid, so it is called hydrobromic acid. And the product it gives us, the double bonded bond is converted into single bond, so what it gives us, okay, and this Br react often upper side of the carbon, Br and Br. Now it is called ethyl bromide. It is called as a ethyl bromide. It is a reaction in which we add hydrogen plus halide to ethene and give us the ethyl bromide, convert the double bond between the carbon atoms and the ethene and give us ethyl bromide, are called bromoethane, because now the double bond is converted into single bond, so the single bond is saturated, and therefore the saturated are called as a mentioned as a alkane, is in this case as a ethane. Next we will talk about another reaction. Next we will talk about the hydrogenation reaction of alkene. So it is a reaction in which hydrogen atom is added to alkene, and what it gives us, this process is called the hydrogenation process. If we took the ethene, this is ethene, okay, and when we add H2, one here and one here, so this one react with there, and then this react with there, and double bond is converted into single bond, and this reaction is carried out in the presence of nickel, an element as a catalyst, nickel as a catalyst, and the temperature remain as a from 250 till 300 centigrade, okay. The temperature is remain from 250 till 300, and the presence of nickel is the catalyst, and the double bond of the carbon atom is converted by the H2 into single bond, and the unsaturated hydrocarbon alkene, this is called ethene. I have taken this as a ethene, okay, ethene, and this is a H2 molecule, and this is a catalyst, okay. So and the product, it will give us, there will be single bond between the carbon atoms, okay, there also hydrogen, okay, 3 and 1 from here, and the 2 hydrogen will bond from here, so all the 4 bonds, so the carbon will form complete the 4 bonds, and we say when the carbon have 4 bonds, so this is termed as a saturated hydrocarbon and is called alkane. In this case it is called ethane, ethane. And this is also termed as a functional group of the ethane. So when we reacted H2 molecule with the ethene, so the double bond between the carbon atom is converted with the help of H2 molecule and the presence of nickel as a catalyst, and the temperature is remains at 250 from 250 till 300 Celsius, and the product gave us the double bond converted into single bond, and the H2 molecule is added to the two carbon, and hence the carbon complete all its four bonds. So therefore now it is termed a saturated hydrocarbon, and we call now it is a ethane. So this was about the important reaction of alkene. So I hope this lecture will be helpful to you, and if you have any doubt, any question, so you can mention in the comment box, and please subscribe and share my lecture for next video. See you next time.
Please subscribe Ramzan Biology for next lectures.